Hi and welcome to Arabic for Church, lesson 1.7. Today we're going to cover two new letters Sad and Dad. We're going to start with the letter Sad. From its shape, you can see that it shares the same snake charmer's basket with the letters Sin and Sheen, but it starts with a different shape, a bit of a closed round shape. The sound Sa doesn't have an equivalent in English. The phonemic symbol for it is the sound S, with a little indication that it's more emphatic. Writing the letter Sad starts from the left and then moving on to the right to finish the little round shape, and then it goes into the basket. Sa is the first sound in the word Sahra, which means desert in Arabic. And if you think about it, the first part of Sad looks a bit like a sand dune. It's not very high and it's wide. So with the isolated form of Sad, we start from left to right so that we can complete the full circle, and then move to the basket. Now when we connect, we're going from right to left, so we're coming in this direction, and then we stop to start the Sad properly. So again, we're going to start the Sad from left to right and then round, and this is why when we're writing we stop and then estimate the distance to write a full sand dune first and finish it with the basket. And now we're going to look at the letter Dad. An Arabic language is referred to as the language of the Dad. This is the letter that you can only find in Arabic language, and the sound is Da. Again, very similar to the sound Da, but more emphatic, and it's got a dot on top of its sand dune. And Dad is the last letter in the word Ard, or earth. Ard. And Dad connects in the exact same way as Sad. So you're writing from right to left, you pause, and then you estimate the distance that's going to take the sand dune, and you write it left to right and down. You finish the letter. Now with placing the dot, make sure it doesn't come on top of the tip over here. So it comes a little between that tip and the basket of the Dad. Both these phrases are taken from Psalms. The first one, the cup of salvation I take. كأس الخلاص أتناول. The maker of the skies and the earth. صانع السماوات والأرض. So these are the sounds sa and da, and you can see that the letters are not connected to the right, and that's because the alif doesn't connect to the left. And same here, the ra doesn't connect to the left, so Dad is in its isolated form. And by covering the letters Sad and Dad, now we know 15 letters of the Arabic alphabet. And once you're done learning letters Sad and Dad, you can move on to lesson 1.8 and learn two more letters that share the same sand dune as the letters we covered today. These are letters Ta and Dha.